So we're going to start by studying the first type of company, that is companies divided on the basis of public involvement, on the level of public involvement. And as far as public companies are concerned, on the one hand, remember that these companies are those that allow the transfer of shares from one person to another without any need of informing the company at all. So essentially, this is precisely the beauty of a public company, and on the other hand, in a private company, this is the major difference, and you have to contrast this very point, that in a private company, transfer of ownership is not permissible without the agreement of the members involved. So remember that a public company has to be contrasted with a private company on the basis of the level of public involvement. At this point, as we begin to study the types of companies, which is the very first of the topics that you're going to be studying in company law, I would advise you to focus more on the reasons behind the rules and not on the rules by themselves. Why? Because the reasoning is going to help you remember the rules very smoothly, and also it's going to help you develop your interest in the subject. So for instance, when I told you just now that in a private company membership is limited, so why should one bother to create a private company in the first place when there are so many restrictions? As you will see, there are other restrictions other than just this one. However, you should answer this by, for example, pointing out that there are less formalities involved, and of course there are lesser regulations to comply with when it comes to a private company. So that is one example that I wanted to give you. And on the other hand, for example, when considering public companies, it sounds very exciting that anybody at all can join a public company if you were to create one. However, did you know that a public company has to comply with so many more regulations than a private company does? So keep these points in mind as you study the later videos.